my loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Amogelang, and this is my very first clothing haul. I am extremely excited and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, do all of that, and follow me on my Instagram. What I will do is display myself wearing the clothes right here, and just show you guys what I got. So this is a cotton on and factory clothing haul. There isn't a lot of clothes to go through. It's just that the bags are very big and it makes it seem like there's a lot of clothes, but there really isn't. I hope you guys like, and yeah, let's get to the first item. So the first item I got is this bralette, crop top, whatever. It's actually a set. Well, I intended it to be a set, but the colors are a bit shaky. They it's very shaky. They the pants are a bit darker than the crop top itself, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay. I still like it. I would still wear the set just as it is, and yeah, it's a very chilled set, something that you would wear just going to the shops, grocery shopping, wearing indoors. Nothing too fancy. You can dress it down, dress it up, and yeah, I really like the biker shorts. Very comfortable, highly recommended.
I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate. I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same. Our relationship changed. That or it never existed.
So the second items I got are these cotton on gym tights. Well, they say they gym tights. I got it in this pattern, and then I got it in blue because I like them that much. They are so comfortable, so comfortable. You will love them. What else do I like about them? Oh, I can wear them to gym, and I get to wear them anywhere else. Like, I could just dress up with this going on campus. It's just, I like it. It's very comfortable. That was what I was going for, very comfortable clothing for a campus, so I really got them. Highly recommended. They flared at the bottom. I don't know if I mentioned that, so I like that also.
Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time.
The next item I got is this sports bra. I don't know how to wear this. There's a lot of straps, but I do follow somebody who gyms a lot and buys their sports wear from Cotton On Body. So I guess I'll just wear it the way I see her wearing it. Yeah, this looks comfortable. Like I said, I haven't worn it, but I like it. And I can wear it with the tights that I bought.
She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything.
The next item I bought from Cotton On is a puffer jacket. It's very big, and I got the last one, so I'm very happy. I've been looking for puffer jackets. The ones that I liked were sold out, or I don't know, I just could never find it. So it's cute, it's warm, it's big. I am happy. I am so happy. Yeah, so I got this from Cotton On, and I am in love. It's probably my my favorite item from everything.
Trust me, girl, this shit is everything. I'm letting God handle all things above. Things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place.
I think this is one of the last items I got from Cotton On. These very cute ruby heels. I actually want them in all colors, like white, I think brown, purple, pink, black. Yo, they're beautiful. I got them on special. I got them on sale for 300 Rand. The original price was 600 Rand. Yeah, so hey, I've been wanting these and I am in love. They're beautiful, they're my style. Not too high. You'll love them. The first items I got from Factory are these cute t-shirts. Well, they're cute because I like the colors. I like the neutral look, the neutral colors from both of them. What else do I like about this? I can wear these anywhere. I am absolutely in love with the brown, the nude. Love it for me. Love it for me. And then I just got a plain black one. But they actually came together, you know. So yeah, I got these. They're oversized. This is a extra small, and they're still big on me. I am actually a medium. It just works. It just works. It's perfect. Yeah.
I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate. I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same. Our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Fuck what they talking about on your.
And then the last item I got from Factory, which I also love so much, is this cute blazer. This cute blazer. It's not long. It just like ends. Where does it end? It's like my thigh, halfway through my thigh. Basically, you'll see it this side. I love this. I love this. I love this. I've been wanting blazers, long blazers in particular. Yeah, because I have short ones, and yeah, I wanted something that I could also wear every single day. Well, not every single day, but like wear it quite often, you know, and not look too formal. You get me? Yeah, so this is the last item I got from Factory.
That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time with you now. 5 minutes slowly. 5 minutes slowly. 5 minutes slowly.
So those are all the items that I got from Cotton On and Factory. Please comment down your favorite item that I got, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends. Let's grow this channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, to more hauls and more clothes. Yeah, more clothes, more hauls, more money for the clothes. So yeah, so bye.